This is the LED ring from the Climate Action Kit. It has 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs, and this means that individual lights can be specifically turned on and turned to a different color without affecting the rest of the lights. It connects to one of the 4 sensor ports at the top of the breakout board with the matching sensor icon, or by daisy chaining other smart components to the sensor ports on the breakout board. First, we'll plug the microbit into the computer with the USB cable, and then the microbit into the breakout board, and then turn the breakout board on. Next, plug in the LED ring into one of the sensor ports on the breakout board. And if you don't see the simulator pop up right away, remember to hit download to download some blank code. Once that's finished, you should see the simulator pop up and then it actually respond to you in real time.